This is OnePlus Pad, and today I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first order of business is to download and install the free third-party app that is called TurboVPN. So let me quickly do that. So launch the app once it is ready, then tap at the green continue button. Unfortunately, this app does not have, or actually it does. Anyway, so let's see if the app has the landscape orientation mode. It does not. That's fine. Just once you launch the app, tap at this carrot icon over there. Please stop. Then confirm the connection request. And, well, wait until this cute little rabbit do its magic and connect your tablet to VPN. So the VPN was successfully connected, so if you would like to change the server, country, or even the city of your connection, you can just tap at the currently connected server, then select whatever city you would like to reconnect to, and here it is. Now, in order to turn the VPN off, tap at this cross icon over here, choose the disconnect option, and well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.